Hey everyone, how's it going? Today we're going to be doing the cabin air filter on my 2016 Silverado. I picked this up from AutoZone for $20, so definitely no need to pay a shop to do this. Again, it's $20. It's 4 screws in the glove box and takes maybe a matter of 10 minutes to swap out. So when you get inside here, all it is a screw right up underneath this plastic shroud. You have another one right here. And then when you go in the glove box, you have one in this corner, and you have one in this corner. All you do is open this up, you can pull the whole system out. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. All you need is a T15 hex head. That's the only tool required for this. And you can see a little bit of struggle on it. It's just these clips that hold the bottom of the glove box in. You can just pull those right out. So now looking in here, this is where your cabin air filter is stored, right in this compartment right here. There's a clip on the right and a clip on the left. You pull those down. That's pretty gross, jeez. And that's what it looks like. Myself, I have not changed this in about the 50,000 miles that I've owned the truck. So we're gonna go ahead and swap it. Alright, so just to look again at what this looks like. Pretty nasty and grimy. And here's the new one. So again, this is what a 100,000 mile filter looks like. No need to wait that long to swap your filter, especially when it's 20 bucks and takes 10 minutes. So let's go put it in. Okay, so when you're putting this filter back in, one thing that you really need to look at is the airflow direction. This one, when I took out the factory one, showed the airflow arrow down, down towards the blower motor in here. So just make sure you put it back in the same orientation. Alright, and that's a wrap. Thank you guys again for watching. Hopefully that helped some of you guys, and if you have any questions, definitely feel free to comment and let me know. We'll see you on the next one.